Hi, one forum news brings you the best. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. Your comment and all likes will be highly appreciated. Yes, our case we are talking about the trial involving the murder of Senzo Meyiwa, who happened to be the goalkeeper, and I'm talking about captain of Bafana in the past. He was killed in 2014, and you already know the story. Now the new development is we'll be here to bring you everything. Yes, everything that though is dragging for so long, even if it's 100 years, we'll be here to bring you everything or blow by blow account about this very case. Now the new development is now they are saying that the number of bullets or gunshots that were heard that very day. Now the defense lawyer, one of the defense lawyers, is saying that it were three. That is a three gunshots. That is plus or minus three bullets. And now the prosecuting witness or the one that is representing the government of South Africa that are making the prosecution, they are saying that it was two that they have in their record. You know, when it comes to court cases, these conflicts or disagreements normally come or differences normally come. But it's for the court of competent jurisdiction under the leadership or the supervision of Judge Reta for the truth to come. So we are all waiting for the truth. But let's take a look at this whole thing. Now, the defense lawyer is saying that it's three gunshots that happened, and the prosecuting lawyer is also saying that it's only two. The explanation that the defense lawyer gave, which is entitled to yes, because he has to prove that his client is innocent, that there is nothing altogether that happened when it comes to his client. Yes. So he is arguing that the first bullet, he wasn't able to chronologically arrange the way it is and who the gun hit that very day. But he said that there were three. The first one, or the one that killed Senzo Meyiwa, own Senzo Meyiwa happened to be one. The one that hurt this guy, we are talking about Longwe Toiler, that is the son of the great Chico Toiler. Yes, those are names that when you hear, you know that yes, something great is happening. Yes, you know that's the son of Chico Toiler. We're talking about Longwe Toiler. One hurt this very guy. These were all allegations or things that this great lawyer is presenting before the court, for the court to go into it and decide whether it's two or three. And the third one happened to be the one that hit Zandie Kumelo. That's the sister to Senzo Meyiwa's girlfriend. We're talking about Auntie Kelly Kumelo. Yes, you know, the background to this whole story is Senzo Meyiwa went to his girlfriend's house. We're talking about Kelly Kumelo, who is a musician, very great and nice musician in South Africa. Went to her home before this tragic event happened. And till today, we are all trying to find the fact of whatever that took place. You know, people, there are about 5 people that are already under trial or they're going through the trial, and their defense lawyer, one of them, is saying that the bullet that was fired that day, or the number of bullets that were fired, are rather 3, but not 2, as claimed or as suggested to the court by the that is the prosecuting witness. Yes, all these things will normally come there, and the reason why that we are hearing all this is as a result of how everything about this whole case is being televised live on TV for all of us to see. And it's very important because once we are seeing it, we can also tune our mind. This is where this thing is going, but we can't talk about it. It's for the court to talk about it because we cannot prejudge what will come. But we can all tune our mind. We can only think about it, but the things that we can say are only about the things that take place or normally happen when it comes to the court proceedings. We'll be here to tell you everything about it. But let's go out of the court and talk about something. Now, this great guy, that Senzo Meyiwa, went to Auntie Kelly's home and something like this happened. But till today, Auntie Kelly Kumelo is yet to be held before the court of competent jurisdiction. We are all hoping that one day she'll be given the opportunity so that those that may be fingering her allegedly, or those that may be saying that she's the one of fingering, I'm talking about this one, yes, that she may be the one that she knows something to say about this, allegedly, yes, she knows something to say about this whole thing, for the truth to come out, for them also to know that yes, she had a day in court and everything that be said, and she will be cleared, or if there is something that she will be prosecuted, or things will move on for the fact to come. It's all about getting the fact so that all these things, and it will be to her whole interest. Why? Because, you know, pointing finger at her all the time is not nice. We are all human beings. When things like this happen, it's not nice. Because this is a great lady. He is a very good musician that works so hard to achieve success for herself. And all of a sudden, some group of people are saying that she may be the one that caused the death of Senzo Meyiwa. She may not be the one, yes, because no one was there. That is why the court is there to decide that it's either A or B that was the one that pushed or pulled the trigger that day, and Senzo Meyiwa is no more with us. But for now, may his soul rest in perfect peace, though he's yet to seek or get justice. We are all praying that that justice will come one day so that the family can also get a closure to this great guy, because this is a great guy. We're talking about the former captain of Bafana. The question some of us would like to ask is, How much more if we're to be an ordinary member of the community or society, like the poor widow or like the poor person in the street of South Africa? When will that person get justice if Senzo Meyiwa's own is dragging for this law? But when it comes to the law, the wheel of justice drags slowly. But one day, we are hoping and praying that justice will be served so that Auntie Kumelo will be cleared, or if there is something outward, it thinks the court will take its action or whatever it is for success to come when it comes to this very case, so that we can all have peace, so that we will not be here to always talk about Senzo Meyiwa. This guy died 2014 until today. The case is still dragging. It's taking so long. So we count on the judge. He's doing his best. We count on the lawyers also. They should come out with more facts so that it's just about justice for Senzo Meyiwa, not anybody. If someone is found guilty, why not? The action to be taken. I wish both the lawyers for the defense as well as the prosecuting lawyers for success when it comes to this case, so that we can all be able to achieve greatness and get a closure to this great case. Please, for more about discussions and analysis like this, kindly subscribe to this channel. One Forum is for the best when it comes to security and crime, for the best when it comes to politics of Africa and historical antecedents. We'll be here to bring you every fact and figures. Yes, that is what we are here for you. By your comments and your likes will be highly appreciated. And if you have something that is against us, kindly tell us. If you have something that supports our argument, kindly tell us, because together we make it happen. Please subscribe to this channel, One Forum News. Thank you so much.